Soul Foods and more. Today we're gonna make a marinade sauce for chicken wings. I know we've been doing chicken wings. I know, I get it. It's getting played out. But I'm gonna be going grocery shopping on the 18th. So we're gonna be doing some new stuff then. But for right now we're gonna jump into making this delicious stuff right here. Okay, so first we're gonna add the teriyaki sauce. Teriyaki sauce. I want to do a shout out to my new subscribers. Thank you. We're up to 21 subscribers now, so I am very blessed and very happy. One of them is my homeboy. I'm giving you a shout out, homie. So remember this. My dude Charlie, he gonna be starting his channel. I'll let you know the details when we get to that point. But okay, so we got two tablespoons of that. We're gonna add some onion flakes. And I don't got no promotions yet. I want some promotions,